All right, Jenny is back, not on the road, but in the kitchen. And we are making cowboy hats. That's what we call them. They're actually called Agnolinis, and they're from northern Italy. And my grandma Telly brought these over, this recipe, when she came over, and they used to make these for us when we were kids. And Guido here
Say hi,
has
Guido.
been making these
Hello,
now
how you doing?
for years, and
How you doing?
makes Grandma Telly's recipe for us. So this is, we'll show you over here the little this is stuff from the raviolis.
See, we got
So we have little ravioli trays, and then we stuff them with veal. It's different. It's a veal stuffing, and they'll be cooked in broth, and you'll get to see the finished product.
Look how long that is. Please, it's so long.
That's okay.
Huh?
We'll put half on there, and then we can put half on there.
Harvest the stuffer.
Yeah, you'd be like,
all right. Here we are in kind of mid-assembly line.
My stuffing would be
So that when that
so much
breaks
bigger.
off, see like that.
and it would just go slow.
It doesn't tear. There you go. Perfect. All right.
We got the whole assembly line going here. There's Alyssa, Brad, Joanne, Ryan's over here, taking it all in. And then of course we got over here. We got your pasta coming out.
There you go. Flip it over there and we're good. Good to go.
Okay. Here we go.
Yep.
Okay, the cowboy hats are ready. Look at them. Beautiful little dumplings filled with veal and Parmesan, and their deliciousness. They're all sorts of deliciousness. And this reminds us of Scooby, right, Pop?
Right.
All right, come and get it.
Okay.
Come and get it. It's time. Let's go, people. Let's go.
Come on, I don't get out of line and come back for more when you want more, obviously.
Mine's empty.
Jenny in the kitchen.
Jenny in the kitchen. A little taste of Italy.
Guido in the
And now
kitchen.
home.
Joanne in the
A little taste of
kitchen.
Italy and
Shannon
now
in the
home.
kitchen. Alyssa and Ryan in the kitchen. Where's Brad in the kitchen?
He went to eat his
There,
bowl.
there's Ollie in the kitchen. All right, we're gonna go eat.
Go, Brad, you'd have been behind.
Manja.